The Chaco pipit, also known as the pampas pipit, Anthus chaconensis, is a species of bird found in Argentina and Paraguay, primarily in temperate grasslands, and is known for its long, trilling song. Here's a more detailed summary. Scientific name, Anthus chaconensis. Common names, Chaco pipit, pampas pipit, campo pipit. Distribution, found in Argentina and Paraguay. Habitat, temperate grasslands. Adaptation. The Chaco/Pampas pipit adapts well to agricultural land and is now found almost entirely in agricultural fields. Conservation status, least concern, IUCN 3.1. Distinctive features. The Pampas pipit is known for its long, trilling song, which is a key identification feature. Other names in Argentina. Catrala trinodora, or trilling pipit, similar to yellowish pipit Anthus ludescens. Diet, pipits are ground-feeding insectivores. Family, Motacillidae, wagtails, longclaws. Genus, Anthus,